Hi guys! Recently Alibaba has released the latest Wan 2.2 AI video generator, and it's open source with superior complex motion generation capacity and many more foundational enhancements. Next, I will compare Wan 2.2 and Google Veo 3 using videos generated myself side by side. Let's explore what Wan 2.2 can do.
Someone left me a mysterious box. Either it's a gift or a trap. Let's open it and hope it's not bees.
Hey, big guy! We look so similar. Do you want to make friends?
So how to use Wan 2.2 for free? Currently, there are two ways to use it. The first one is through their official site, which can be found in the comment. Click on Try Now. Then click on Generate. Here, you can use it to generate videos or images. And there are various functions provided, such as image to video, text to video, in Paint, etc. Don't forget to choose the new Wan 2.2 Plus model. Let's use the text to video function for example. Once you enter the prompt, you can click on this icon to enhance the prompt. And multiple aspect ratio is supportive. What's more, you can tick the sound effects button, and the sound effects will be generated along with the video. Then proceed to generate. New users will have 10 credits for free, and we can use credits to speed up the generation, or don't use credits, but we might need to wait for longer to create the video. And there we have the video. The second way is using Comfy UI on your local device. This is Comfy UI's instruction page on how to use the Wan 2.2 workflow. This method requires your device to have a strong graphic card, so I am not able to show you how to run the full workflow with my device. I will also attach the page link in the comment. Check it out if you want to explore more. As an open source AI video model, Wan 2.2 is definitely doing well compared with Google Veo 3, though it still couldn't generate audio as Veo 3. The potential is huge. That's the share for this video. There are also cool AI apps to play around on mobile. Feel free to take a look in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.